Hello friends, welcome to Canal YouTube channel. Today in the second tutorial of Android app for beginners, I will explain you how to use ImageView in Android application. So question arises, what is ImageView? ImageView in Android is used to display the image in the Android application. So let's start the tutorial. Here is the activity main.xml. Now here we will add the image view. Here is the image view. Here we are using the attributes of the image view like width and height. Now to display the image we will add the image in the drawable folder. So in the Android all the images are kept in the drawable folder. Now we will select one image from the computer. Here I will add this image. Here we will copy and paste it over here in the drawable. Here we change the name. Here we add the image in the drawable. Now here we will use the image. Here we use the image. Now here we add the image. In the constraint layout, here we add the constraint also, like top to top of, and to the end of, start to the start of, bottom to the bottom of. Here we use the important attributes like Android source, ID, layout width, layout height. These are all the important attributes we use in the image view. So now after that we will do the find view by ID of the image. Here we will call the method Now let's run the app. And now here we display the image using the image view. So if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more further tutorial. Thank you friends.